pahingi nga ng ensaymada, yung isang piraso lang, kasi may ibabahagi sana ako. Sandali lamang po ha. Alam niyo ho ba na may tamang pagbukas ng ensaymada? I'm going ahead of the story. Gagawin natin mamaya yan. Dahil ang mga bisita ho natin ngayon ay may kinalaman sa kwento ng ensaymada. Ay, Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Nino, Sandro, Alonzo Mula.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Para sa inyo po.
Maraming salamat. Salamat. I always look forward to your guesting on the show dahil lagi kaming may uwing ensaymada. Maraming salamat. Kumusta, Onin?
Good.
Yes.
Happy.
Kumusta kayong dalawa?
We're good po.
We're
Sobrang
good.
excited po.
Yeah.
Kasi natanggap ko na yung pangarap ko na may interview niyo, Tito Boy.
Ang unang tanong ay para sa iyo. How does it feel to be, the son of Nino Mulak?
It's overwhelming kasi usually nakakatakot po for my side kasi parang yung pressure po ng pagiging mulak, ang daming pressure na pupunta sa akin ng mga tao na parang
Katulad?
Like yung mga questions po sa akin na parang yung papa mo ba, ganyan, dapat maging magaling ka rin na artista. Kailangan kong patayan yung papa ko. Parang yun po yung standard ng pagiging mulak.
Did you get that pressure, Alonzo?
Yeah, because as a kid, I got compared with my dad. Kasi syempre, na-start ako as a child actor. So
the pressure...
kamukha ko rin si Papa.
Correct. At saka yung
baby
pressure
ako,
na,
diba?
are you as good as your father? Did
Yeah.
you get that? Oo.
Yeah.
Ang hirap. Paano sinasagot ang tanong na yan? Hard, no?
Yeah.
But it's a good shadow.
Yeah.
It's a very good shadow. You want to say something? Alonzo.
Si Alonzo kasi naintindihan ko dahil child star siya nagsimula.
Tama.
So talagang, tas kamukha ko pa. So malalagpasan mo ba yung daddy mo? Tito Boy, parang kahit anong gawin ngayon ng kahit sinong child star, parang mahirap nang lagpasan talaga yung ginawa ko. Dahil pelikula yung pinag-uusapan eh. Hindi na ganun karami ang pelikula ngayon.
At saka at that age kasi, wala ka pang realization that you can be bigger, you can be smaller, you can be who you are.
Yeah.
You know, without having to be in the shadow of your father. Iisa lang ang ninimulak, pero iisa rin lang ang Alonzo.
Yes.
But of course, you're young to understand that. Kaya yung pressure na, are you as good as your father? Ang hirap, no?
Yes po. Tsaka Tito Boy, ninyo mulak na yan.
At hindi lang, mulak kayo eh.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, hindi lamang tatay nyo, but you're a mulak. So, ang taas-taas ng expectations.
From Amalia Fuentes to Aga to...
Correct. During your time Onin, what was that? I mean, having Tita Amalia, having Aga in the business, what did it mean para sa'yo?
Well, syempre, tsahin mo, Queen of Philippine Movies, ba? Talagang that's something to be proud of, di ba?
Right.
Tapos si Aga naman, although nauna ako kay Aga, nag-artista, kapag lahat kami, we had our time eh. When Tita Nena was at her prime, she was the Queen of Philippine Movies. Ako, when I was at my prime...
You were the boy wonder.
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos nung si Aga naman nag-artista, sumikat din siya ng...
He was a
Yes.
he was a superstar,
Yeah.
di ba?
Yes.
So kanya-kanyang oras talaga.
Yeah.
So you can imagine yung inyong pamilya, hindi lamang ang dad, ang papa, pero ang buong
Pati daddy ko, he was the chairman of PMPPA,
Tama.
yung Philippine Movie
Oo.
Producers Association.
What